Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is QinetiQ supports APKWS Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System. Missile integration on RAF Typhoon fighters for Middle East counter-drone operations. QinetiQ said it supported the Ministry of Defense, the Royal Air Force and BAE Systems in the rapid integration and testing of laser-guided, low-cost missiles for RAF Typhoon fighter aircraft. The Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System, developed by BAE Systems, is now being used by Typhoons in the Middle East to defend against drone attacks. The weapon was trialled earlier this year at the Ministry of Defence's Aberporth range in West Wales, which is operated by QinetiQ under the long-term partnering agreement. QinetiQ said it supported integration work before the trials to confirm that the engineering had been successful. The company also created a safety zone at the range and provided realistic targets for Typhoon pilots to train against. These targets included the Banshee Whirlwind, one of QinetiQ's uncrewed aerial vehicle training targets. The Banshee Whirlwind has a top speed of approximately 350 miles per hour and is manufactured in Ashford, Kent. QinetiQ said the system is used by more than 30 countries to represent aerial threats during training and testing. Steve Wadey, Group Chief Executive Officer of QinetiQ, said, "From engineering expertise to live trials, our teams are providing the fundamental support needed by our armed forces to deliver the urgent capabilities that ensure the UK and its allies remain safe and warfighting ready." QinetiQ said its support for APKWS Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System. Integration on Typhoon was enabled through the company-led Engineering Delivery Partnership contract. Under the arrangement, QinetiQ provides specialist engineering services to the Ministry of Defense supporting maintenance and capability upgrades for the Typhoon fleet. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology.